How to update network drivers on Windows 11. So if you want to update network drivers on your Windows 11, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, you need to go with System. Under System, you will have the Windows Update. Go with Windows Update and go with Advanced Options. And under Additional Options, you will need to go to Optional Updates. And if you have any network drivers update, then you can simply go and download and install the network drivers and your problem will be fixed. But if you don't have any updates right here, then we just need to simply open up our device manager. Right click on your Windows and then go with the device manager. Once you enter the device manager, in here we just need to simply go with the network adapters. Under network adapters, now this is for the Wi-Fi and you may also have the Ethernet option. So to update your network drivers, you just need to simply right click on it and then go with update driver and go with search automatically for drivers, and it says the best drivers for your device are already installed. But if you don't have the best drivers, then you can simply go with search for updated drivers on Windows Update, and here it will take you to the same process which we've already done. So again, go with the second one, go with update driver, go with search automatically for drivers, and then choose the driver and update your driver and close. Or you can go with the second option, which is browse my computer for drivers, and then let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer and choose a driver and then go with the next option. And that's it. Your Windows has successfully updated your drivers. So that's how you can update your network drivers on your Windows 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.